another dive off the Panama City beach coast, and we're headed down to see some sunken jets. About halfway down the line, we kind of stop here and realize we're surrounded by fish. Just gonna take that in before we head down to the bottom. You can see what looks like an airframe to one of them. And we were told that there should be 2 jets down here, but this is right after Hurricane Matthew. So they didn't know if they had moved or separated at all, so what we wanted to do was tie off on one of the jets, kind of separate and see if we could find the other one. This is where I'm going to tie off on the tail end of the first jet. Separate out, and that's my buddy between me and where I tied off. Visibility was so bad after the hurricane, we just wanted to kind of make sure we could see each other and not miss anything that was in between the 100-foot line. And no luck finding the second jet, but that's kind of what looks to be the cockpit area of the first one. Landing gear retracted. More of the fuselage there. So yeah, no luck finding the second one, but hey, we did find one jet, so that was pretty cool.